Energy Technologies is a heating and air conditioning company. We design, install, and service heating, ventilation, air conditioning systems for residential, commercial, and industrial facilities. Well, most companies, when they come to your home, they will address the heating and air conditioning equipment itself. We address the whole building. We're the only company certified by the Building Performance Institute within about a 70-mile radius to provide this holistic approach to your home, in addition to making the 2.99 unsecured loan available to you. And that's over 10 years that you can finance home improvements. Well, today we're going to go to a home that we're currently studying. Saverio Salo is our Building Performance Institute certified analyst, and we're going to test the home today for the infiltration of air, and we're also going to scan the home with our infrared camera.
Today we're going to do 3 different procedures. The first will be measuring the house, gathering the information as far as the amount of glass, the exposure of the house. This will be fed into the computer to give us to do a load analysis for heating and cooling. We'll also use the infrared camera to check insulation levels, and we'll use the RetroTech blower door, which will establish air infiltration levels with the house. First thing I'm going to do is measure the house. We need a layout of the house and also the size of the windows. This information will be used, put in the computer, and it'll calculate the heating and cooling losses in the house, which will determine what type of equipment we need to properly condition the house. Now that we've completed getting the physical measurements of the house, we'll go on to the next test, which is using an infrared camera. The infrared camera will show us where there's air leakage and also low levels of insulation. Basically, it points out some problem areas that need to be addressed. Consistent through this house, the insulation levels in the walls seem pretty good. Where it isn't sufficient is in the attic. Throughout the house, the walls do seem fairly well insulated. I don't think really that needs any more attention paid to it, but we certainly do need to have the attic insulation levels brought up to an R38. What we're going to be doing is installing a RetroTech blower door. The purpose of the blower door is to quantify the air infiltration in the house. Where that matters is it tells you if the house is tight, if the house is loose, or moderate infiltration. One of the concerns today is if houses are too tight, you can suffer from what's called sick house syndrome. Typically older homes don't have that problem. Newer homes that have been over-insulated, it can certainly become a problem. So what we're doing here is testing for the infiltration, because if the infiltration is too great, we need to try to slow down the infiltration. If the infiltration is too little, we need to do some type of energy recovery ventilator to properly ventilate the house. Our initial contact, where I would visit your house, see what is there. It's a no-cost consultation. We take a look at realistically what you have and what can be done. If I feel that we can be of value to you, and in speaking with you, you have confidence in what I've pointed out, we go to the next step, which is the testing. The testing, which we just concluded, leads us to the solutions that will lower your heating bills. In this particular home, we're going to do a central air system with a heat pump, a high efficiency unit. The items that we don't do, be it the air sealing and insulation, a subcontractor will do for us, but everything works through Energy Technologies BPI certification. So you will only be dealing with us. We will handle, start to finish, the paperwork through the job completion.
Well, our service is our calling card. We're a service company first, and we kind of take a lot of pride in that. As a matter of fact, just recently, we're rated on Angie's list in the top 5% in the nation for the kind of responses our customers give us. And we're very proud of that. So service is first with us.
Take advantage of federal tax credits, PPL E-Power Home Comfort Program rebates, and manufacturer's incentives up to $2,500 by calling Energy Technologies on high-efficiency systems and insulation upgrades. Call 1-800-222-1931 for your no-cost consultation.